Short story. My family's hobbies. There are 4 people in my family, but my family's hobbies are not the same. My father looks small on the outside, but he is very strong and loves sports very much. He usually exercises every afternoon after work. He is crazy about running. Every day he runs about 8 to 10 kilometers. I still remember the first day of jogging with my father. I was very tired. I only ran 1 kilometer and then I walked. Besides, my father also likes to play football. He plays football twice a week. After he finished playing football, he often went out to drink beer with his friends. My mother is a housewife, so I don't know her hobbies well. She is usually busy all day. She doesn't have much time to spare. She spends her whole day doing housework, cooking, go to the market, cleaning the house, and taking care of my 2 pet dogs. She finished her work at 8 p.m. after the whole family had finished dinner. Maybe my mom's hobby is hanging out with friends and shopping. Because whenever my mother has free time, I often see her meeting her friends and then going shopping. And my sister, like an artist. She likes the piano very much. I still remember the first time my sister heard the piano on TV. She was so excited. She asked my father to buy it for her, or she would cry a lot. My parents didn't agree at first, but because my sister cried a lot, they bought it for her. Since having the piano, she considers it as her best friend. She practices and plays the piano every day. Now she has mastered the piano. She has won many awards in piano competitions. She said that becoming a pianist is her dream. My parents and I have always supported her, and my family is very proud of her. Finally, it's me. My hobby is playing games. However, I am not addicted to the game. I only play games when I've done my work. The game that I usually play is League of Legends. I often play games with my friends. We split into teams and played against each other. When we play games, we become closer. Playing games helps me forget the pressures of school. To play games in a healthy way, I only play 1 hour a day. My parents also know the purpose of my game, so they agree for me. On my 15th birthday, my father bought me a computer system to serve my study as well as my entertainment. I love playing games, but I also know how to balance play and study time. If you can do that, the game isn't bad. My family also has a few things in common. We love to chat after every dinner. Smile will help everyone after a tiring day of work and study. Sometimes, my family goes to the cinema together on the weekends. We also have great picnics. I am very happy to be part of my family. My family is always loving and happy together.